The Boston. I don't think I've ever seen a Boston. 2,218 square feet. I think a gnat landed on my nose. 2,218 square feet. 5 beds, 2.5 baths. I think you could see it. Step out in the street a little bit just in case you can't. I think it's in the viewer. I don't know, the sun's bouncing off the viewer. It's a really hot, sunny day here in Palm Bay, Tillman Lakes. So let's go inside and have a look at this house. All right, there it is without my squinty-eyed, sun in my face looking face. Let's check it out. Let me know what you think. Well, the AC feels great. When you first walk in, I'm standing off in the corner, and as far as ceiling height, I can't touch the ceiling when I stand on my toes. So if the ceiling was about 8 feet, I could. Let's go in and have a look. It smells like new furniture in here. You know, like when you get a new couch or something gets delivered. That's what it smells like. New carpeting too. Pretty soft carpeting too, as well. Feels nice. All right. So pretty spacious feeling room. I'm just going to take a peek at the lanai, also known as the covered patio. Okay, got a pretty standard size pantry. Your laundry is going to go outside to your garage. Okay, so this is what I mean when I talk about the minimum. This is a pretty interesting garage. It's going to show perfectly why I do the foot test. See, here's my foot. There's my foot. And you can see there's literally no space. And then you come over here and, you know, you have nice space over here. I'm going to again put my foot up. There's my foot. So yeah, so this garage pretty much has really good space there and really bad space over there. So when you park your cars, you have to keep that in mind. Hot water heaters outside at least, so that's good. So you walk up the stairs and you walk up right to a loft. Kind of interesting setup, a little bit different. A little bit different of a layout. Let's see, what do we have here? Master bedroom. Just me and the plant. There's a plant over here. So it's me and the plant. And you're probably thinking that I didn't say the toilet in the closet and I missed my opportunity, but guess what? I never miss my opportunity for that. feel like somebody needs to reinvent the toilet in the closet, do something with it. All right, this is a really large closet. Get you a different view. So you can see where I'm standing, and I'm about 6'1" plus my shoes, so maybe I'm a little bit taller, 6'2", 6'3", whatever it might be. And you can just see how much room we have in this closet. So definitely some nice room in here. Good sized master closet. Let's walk out back in the master. Yep, good size master. You can see the bed, large bed, king size bed. I don't really question the size of the beds anymore. Thankfully, I used to for a while. I'd be like, well, what is this, a queen? Is this a king? HVAC closet. And here we have a bedroom. I like this, the closet door's open. It's all ready for me. So 2 sinks. And here is your toilet and your tub and shower combination. And I like these tile floors. I see that they're still using them at Lennar. It was definitely one of their more popular upgrades. And you got a walk-in closet. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Let's see. What do we have here? This is a pretty large bedroom. Okay, so who's this house for? Well, you got 4 bedrooms up here, and what's nice is that you got 5 bedrooms up here. What's nice is that you got 2 over here on this end, then you got this one, and you got this one. So I feel like with this room right here, I would think this might be the room where if somebody wants to sleep and they want it to be a little bit less noisy while people might be using the loft, then go down to the end and make that a bedroom. Then over here's the master bedroom. So when you're talking about 5 bedrooms, of course 5 people, 6, 7 people, depending on who's going to be sharing a bedroom. So I think that's nice. And this first floor, it's pretty much just this. So that's it. So it's just an open space, and I think that it's